Hey guys, welcome back to another quick tutorial video of Tech It Simple. In this video, I am going to show you how you can set up automatic forwarding of email into your ProtonMail application. So, without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. In order to do that, you first have to open your ProtonMail in any of your browsers. Now, after opening the ProtonMail, you just simply have to tap into the settings icon just beside the upgrade button, and click to all setting options here. Now, after coming to the all setting options, you just simply have to scroll down to ProtonMail settings. Here, you can see the forward and auto reply settings below the filters option. Click into that forward and auto reply option. Now, after coming here, you can set up email forwarding into here by clicking into this button. But you have to upgrade your ProtonMail in order to set that forwarding option into here. If you need that feature desperately, just simply click to this upgrade button and choose your plan. Then, after upgrading, you can set up the forwarding option into your ProtonMail. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update from the channel. Thank you for watching the video.